Becoming a national securities.
Yeah, not true.
I'm not getting Madam.
You know, we met for the other side.
You know, the one met me is 2 days ago.
Pick up there. We need the pick up there. What?
Then, mommy live there.
And then you
Mommy live there.
No, this one, forget about
This one is not Dr. Susi Mata.
No. This goes, I will start beating you before until the troops will come inside. The most annoying thing. They told the people that when they start counting,
He says it's almost time. It's time Yasu. Time Yasu for what?
hey, you this guy. Okay. Are you? Wait a minute.
What you will do?
He said, right now.
No, make it well. We did take them pictures. Tell them where your jacket.
Yeah.
Shockers.
Showcase all they have.